Christmas, Oga Presido announced say Friday, December 25th and Monday, December 28th go be public holiday. Civil servants dey among those wey join part of this holiday. Na im make TMC TV carry waka come Civil Service Secretariat building for Sapele Road to come check whether work dey on or whether the break still continue. Follow me make we see wetin dey shele for this side. My tori pipo, we don go round and you don see say work dey go on for here, and pipo wey dey the old secretariat building dey park come the new secretariat building just to make sure say work continue after the Christmas break. My name na Innocent Eyikomi from TMC TV.